Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Math Made Easy with Terry in 10 minutes. We're going to the 8th law now, which is the fractional power. Please don't forget to have a look at the 7 previous law and be sure you know how to solve it. You can take some practice questions from the textbook or from a worksheet. Try them, and if you have any question you're not really sure, please let me know. So before I proceed, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so when I post new videos, you'll be the first person to know. All right. So the fractional power law is similar to the laws of indices. So remember the laws of indices. I told you that a m over raised by m over n is equal to the n here represent the nth root, okay, while m is the power of a. Does that make sense? So we talked about this in one of the laws of indices. We talked about this extensively. So this is exactly the same thing in exponent. So in exponent, an exponent raised to the power x over p, okay? What we are saying, the p is what? The root, and e raised to the power x. That is it. As simple as that. So that means if you have any particular question, the denominator of the power is the root, while the numerator is the power of the exponent. Is that okay? So let's pick an example for instance. So let's say we have exponential of 2 over 3. So this means what? Is the cube root of exponential of what? 2. Okay? So you can also go the other way around. If you're told to find, let's say, find the square root of exponential 4. Okay? And remember in the laws of indices, I told you the square root of a is the same thing as saying a raised to the power 1 over 2. We talked about this in the laws of indices. So that means this is the same thing as 1 over 2, or you can put 2 here. So that means for square roots, there's a 2 here. Are you seeing it? So that means I can rewrite this as exponent of what? 4 over what? 2. And this is going to give me an exponent of what? 2. Okay? Similarly, if for instance we have the cube root, okay, of exponent of 9, so it's the same thing as saying the exponent of what? 9 divided by 3. Because similarly, the cube root of a is going to be a raised to the power 1 over 3. And when you divide this, 9 divided by 3 is going to give you 3. So it's exponent of what? Raised to the power 3. Okay? Or if, for instance, it's just a square root of e, then it's going to be an exponent raised to the power what? Half. So you can see it's a very simple rule, okay? Basically, what we are saying is the power here, okay? The denominator of the power is the root, while the other one is the power of the exponent. And like what I said previously, so we have exponent, x over y. This is the same thing as saying the white roots of the exponent x. And also, you can also go back. You can have this and you can convert it back to the index form. All right? And that is that for that. So it's a very, very easy and straightforward rule. Okay? So similar to the laws of indices we talked about in the previous videos, where we have the nth root of a to the power m, the same thing. When you have the exponent, the number at the bottom is the root, while the other number there is the power. Okay? All right, that is that for that. So the next one we're going to go to now is the derivative law of exponent. That is the law 9, the derivative law of exponent. We've discussed this earlier in the previous video on the basics of differentiation, but I'm going to quickly just introduce it as the 9th law so that it's just form of a revision. And also, if you've not reviewed my previous video, please go back and look at it. You can just go to the playlist or go to the platform, search for the name of the video or the topic you're looking for, and it's going to pop up. Okay? All right. So I'll see you in the next video where we're going to talk about the derivative law, which is going to be the 9th law for this series. All right. So I'll see you soon.